Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I am going to share with you another street food recipe which is very popular, that is Chinese Samosa, or here in Bengal we call it Chinese Singara. Very easy to make at home. I'm going to explain the step-by-step process of this recipe in the video, but you have to watch the entire video for that. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now jump into the recipe and start making Chinese Singara or Chinese Samosa. For that, here I'm heating up a pan. To that, add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. When it's nice and hot, I'm going to fry up some onions. Here I am using one small sliced onion. I'm not going to brown it, just saute it over medium flame. After 1-2 minutes, here I am using 3 cloves of garlic which I have sliced as well. And after a minute or so, add the French bean. Here I am using half cup of French bean. You can use your choice of vegetables, but generally in the Chinese samosa they use French beans, carrots and cabbage. Next goes carrot. Here I have used 1 medium carrot which I have julienne. Next, add salt as per your taste. Don't add too much salt because we know we are going to add some sauces which also contains salt. Now saute it for a minute or so. You need to saute them or soften them more than you saute the vegetables in case of you are making chow mein, because we need to stuff them inside the samosa. Next goes capsicum. Here I am using half of a capsicum sliced. Then goes half cup of cabbage which I have finely shredded. Next, let them soften for like 5 minutes. Cover and cook it. After 5 minutes, we are back, and as you can see, the vegetables has softened nicely. Toss it a bit. Next, add the boiled noodles. Here I am using 2 cups of boiled noodles. In this case, the noodles also should be a little bit softer than normally we make it for making chow mein. Now toss it and mix everything together. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, then 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And toss everything together. I am going to make 2 types of Chinese samosa. One in this normal chow mein or normal street style chow mein kind of samosa. So I'm going to take half of it in a bowl, and with the others I'm going to make the Szechuan one. With this chow mein I'm going to make the Szechuan one. So add 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, or you can use Szechuan chutney as well. and mix them. And it's ready. Next we are going to prepare the dough. For that, here I have taken 250 grams of plain flour. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix them. Then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. This will make the samosa flaky. So use ghee for the flakiness that we get in the samosa we buy from the market. Mix it. Next we are going to add oil. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it till they form a breadcrumb like consistency. This process makes the samosa or Singara crispy. As you can see, they have formed a breadcrumb like consistency. Now add water as required. Add water little by little. Don't add all the water together, then the dough will be soft. Add little by little and make a dough like this. Make a tough dough like this. Now we are going to rest it. So cover it and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we are back. Take big portions from it, bigger than we take for puri or paratha. Roll it into a ball. Like this. All of them are ready. Next, we need to roll them up. For that, apply some oil on the rolling plate or rolling surface. This will prevent the dough from sticking. Next, roll the dough in oval shape like this. Try to make it a bit thin because there will be 2 coating on the surface. So we need to make the patty thinner. Now cut them into half and with a knife cut stripes like this. This will give it the striped look that we get on the Chinese samosa. Apply some water on the edges, then place the other half on it, press it. I'm going to roll it a little bit. This will stick them together. Now fold them as we fold samosa or Singara. Apply some water so that they are nicely sealed. Press it to seal them. Then just at the edges make them a little bit thinner like this. Then I am going to stuff them with the noodles. Here I am using the normal chow mein that we had prepared. Stuff them nicely. Press it. Be generous while stuffing it. Then fold it here, one fold here. Then apply some water and seal both the edges like this. And the Chinese samosa is ready. When it will be fried, this will give it the texture. I am going to show you the other one. In the same process, roll it, cut it into half, cut stripes and press it, roll it, fold it using water, and then I am going to stuff it with the Szechuan chow mein. Be generous with the stuffing. Press it and add more. Then one fold here, apply some water and seal both the edges together. And if there is any opening, seal them as well. And it's ready. Here I have heated up some oil for frying. It will be very lightly heated because the coating of this samosa is very thick, so fry the samosa on low flame so that the dough is cooked through. Toss them every now and then, and it will take 7-8 minutes to be cooked and get into this stage. Now they are nicely fried. I'm going to take them out on a plate. Remove all the excess oil here and it's ready. I'm going to serve it hot with some ketchup. Do make this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. And trust me, your family, your kids are going to love this. So do like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you.